Hi, Abundant Dreamers! Welcome back to another episode of Living Life in Beautiful Abundance. Today's episode is extra special because we're not just sitting down with two accomplished leaders. We're sitting down with a married couple, a power couple, and two people who chose love, partnership, and purpose. Kahit parehong busy, parehong may calling, at parehong may big dreams. She is a lawyer, strategist, professor, digital educator, former congresswoman, businesswoman, and a public servant. He is a young leader, guapo, a congressman, a son and a man grounded in service. But today, hindi muna titles ang bida dito, kaibigan. We get to know the people behind the positions. So, Abundant Dreamers, let's all watch this. Attorney Migs, Congressman Chino. Daghang kaing salamat.
Thank you.
Daghan jud kaing salamat kay gihatagan jud mi ninyo og tumang higayon, no? Para makaugom banako mo diri sa atong show na Living Life in Beautiful Abundance. And dako kay akong appreciation sa imuhang kagwapa ug sa imong kagwapo. Diba?
Abi nako siya lang, kaya ang intro mo siya lang ang gwapo.
Of course, you're beautiful. Diba? And of course, habang magkukwentuhan tayo, Attorney Migs and Congressman Chino, parang natikman na naubos na
naunahan
ata
na namin, sorry.
thank you very much. What can you say
Love
about the
tayo.
food?
Yeah. Kahit kami ganahan mi sa pizza.
Wow.
All the
So,
time.
daghang kaing salamat. So, of course, I would like to thank Seattle's Dream Cafe for this food, no? Nagipreparahan gid mi sa Seattle because I have two special guests. Diba? So, Karon, kamusta?
Ladies first.
Okay lang. Even if busy, no, siguro this is going to be something about the married couples. Despite schedule and all, we find time, no?
Yeah. Like, even if like na ako'y trabaho, napod siya'y trabaho, then usually during the day, dili kayo may magkita because she has her own thing, I have my own thing din. Pero at the end of the day, we get together back at home. Tapos kanang pod banding. Even if mag-cellphone nami, magtapad na pod mi, those kinds of simple
So,
things.
napat na sa honeymoon stage, di ba? Pila ka years na ba mo married?
1 year, more than 1 year.
More than 1 year na.
Pero siguro, di ba sinasabi nila like honeymoon stage yan, kay very early pa. Hopefully it doesn't die. I don't think naman, no?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I will bless you.
Siyempre, mga maminaw dyan, mga 10 years na, 20 years, na.
Diba?
Wala
Kasi ako
na.
24.
Pero diba, you
Yeah.
still have those moments na
yeah,
parang
of course.
honeymoon stage pa rin kahit
Yeah, like
paano.
some like date nights, like we'd assign date nights na we'll dress up and then we'll talagang eat
Or sa
no
balay.
phones. Or sa
Red
balay
wine,
kami duha
ganon?
Yeah.
Kami magluto, wala
Or kami
anyone.
magluto together.
Ano
Yeah.
yung pinaka-enjoy so far, no? Being married na hindi alam ng karamihan?
Well, it's more of naay ang pagsalig na kay kauban. Really. I think it's the one thing that you don't realize until you're fully committed to the marriage na yung tipong no matter what you do, you know that somebody has your back all the time.
Yeah.
So, what's your love story? Di ba? Sabi niyo sa video na one line really stood out. Diba? Yung when you stop trying to find love, love will find you.
We just heard that, nung weekend. Di ka mamimati.
Oh.
Nga, parang mga tao kay, syempre, di ba? Oh, basta when you stop finding love, love finds you. Parang, I think that's stick, no?
May tatak.
May tatak dyan siya sa mga tao.
Mm.
But, I think kasi we truly believe in that.
Yeah.
No?
So, paano ba nagsimula ang love story niyo?
Well, it all started with names muna. Kay ang amo ang pamilya, they know each other.
Okay.
So ang iyahang papa, ako ang lola, they used to work together. Mga colleagues din sila. Her brothers also naman din colleagues with my dad, with my lola. So that it all started there. Tapos usahay, magkita-kita sila. And then we'd always know of each other, but we don't really know. We didn't know
Never
each
tayo
other.
nag-meet in person.
Yeah.
So,
makadungan ako Migs.
makadungog kong Chino. Until, yun nga, nag-ubanta sa Congress.
Yeah.
We worked together.
The first time I saw her in person was na inauguration.
So na. Ayan, inauguration.
Tapos, ginareto-reto na ako ni Papa. But at that time, I was in another relationship. So,
Yeah.
like, bahala siya di Howie.
Yeah, as in ganon. Ako naman, nandun ako sa mindset na trabaho.
Yeah.
Work.
Career
So,
woman.
pinaka-longest relationship ninyo prior marriage?
5 years.
Attorney Migs.
Ako, kung appeal ang on-off, diba mga 10, kung appeal ang on-off. But they think the longest, mga ganyan, 5.
Mm.
5.
So, kayo, ilang years kayo ng boyfriend and girlfriend?
3 months.
So,
When you know, you know.
When you know, you know.
O, diba? Kumbaga, kung sa finding mo ba,
I think yung katong mga audience karon,
Oo.
katong maminaw, tanaw karon. I think yung mga gikan sa long-term relationships, magets nila na pag buwag na sila, and then na ma-meet.
Simple ko pala yun.
No. Hindi ta. Ang mga tao, na parang coming from a long-term relationship. Tapos
Yung
napod
buwag.
ma-meet, tapos biglang magminyo na pinaspasan. I think, di ba, makarelate dyan sila na. Sometimes when you know, you know.
Parata.
Oh, di ba? Parang, you come from a long-term
Yeah.
relationship, parang, nagdugay, of course, right? And then,
You know what to look for na kasi.
Oh, yung what you want, what you don't want, I suppose.
Okay,
no?
so 3 months courtship.
Yes.
Diba? 3 months in a relationship.
Yeah.
So, what was it about Migs na makaingon ka, Congressman Shino na? Siya na.
Pagtanong.
Kanay.
Same as ikaw po ha. Same as ikaw po na Attorney Migs ha. Same question. So, katong nagtama yung inyong dalawang mata.
Wala.
Paano mo
Wala.
sabi na,
Wala
Hindi
yung
siya
sparks
love
sa
and
una.
at
oh,
first
ganun?
sight.
So, paano mo nasabi na eto na.
It all started siguro when we nagkuhan na natoy outing, na may outing ato sa kauban eh. Pero I mean like, na-invite lang ko, siya din ang original na kauban. And then there's just one time na nagstorya lang may at length. From 3 a.m. to like 7 a.m. As in, storya lang yun. Tapos, I guess siguro that's when I started to see na, every time I say something, she has her response will always be something that I've been looking for. So murag nagkatugma ang amo ang thought processes, ang amo ang answers.
Yung chat GPT na ako na.
Soulmate yun.
So pero it was the first time I've experienced that. And ako naman I've been in relationships before pero nothing like this. Diba? So tipong yun, na-interesado ko siya. I wanted to take it a step further. Wanted to get her to know her more. And then, yan, parang 3 months.
Okay, 3 months. Attorney Migs, Ani, paano mo na-realize na
Yeah.
hindi lang siya, kita mga babae, manggod, dali na takiligon, tama, mali?
Tama!
Oo. Kasi ako dali lagi ko makilig. Promise.
I think parang kumbaga natagam na ko sa mga anak.
Okay.
Diba? Younger years, paspas ka
Natagam
makilig.
na ka.
Na parang,
Especially if you're into, diba, long relationship before. So ngayon, paano mo nalaman, Attorney Migs, na hindi lang pala si Congressman Shiro, hindi siya kilig lang?
Siguro.
Taro nga po na.
No, you know this.
Yeah.
Yung time na parang sobrang nag-storya na me, may friends man me, diba? And I don't really open up to people, mga ganyan, diba? Night time na bugat, kaya na. the time in my life.
Yeah.
No, I will not expound, pero bugat kayo. And
Bugat na.
In terms of stress
oo,
levels,
lahat.
like,
Parang nagpatong-patong na tanan ba? Parang stress. I mean, yung time na grabe po daw basya ako Diba? I mean, I have to be honest na I'm human.
Natural
Of course,
lang yung
diba?
bashing.
Yung mga bashing, it will
Ibig
hurt,
sabihin,
right?
Sikat-kat maganda ka.
So, but in moments na ganun kasi, mag-isa ka pa rin at the end of the day, right? Even if you have family, you have friends, ikaw na 'di ba? And yun yung time na parang nakapag-storya kamusta mo ko? And
message na ko siya.
he was very genuine lang about it. And dun, yung nag-usap kami, parang dun ko na realize that you'd want someone there for you in the hardest moments na kaya mong malimtan-tanan ba.
Tanan. Mm-mm.
And so, that's when I appreciated it na.
So, doon mo nasabi na si congressman na pala.
He can be a good partner. And in life, di ba, you want a good partner.
Pareho kayong leader. Pareho kayong may strong personalities. Pareho kayong may public lives. Sino ang alpha sa inyong dalawa?
Here's the thing.
A lot
here's
of
the thing,
people
buddy.
say it's me, di ba?
Yeah, here's the thing though. It took a while to adjust. Kasi ang
Leader
natural...
man siya, leader man ko,
Yeah,
di ba?
it took a while. Kaya murag, na times na gusto niya mabuhat. Matuman na iyang gusto. Sometimes ako po, gusto po na ako matuman akong gusto. We both have had command
Yeah.
over over an organization din. Pero it took a while for us to adjust.
And we're still adjusting.
Yeah, oo. Pero naikuan kumbaga, it's really more about taking that blind leap lang siguro na tipong, you know what? I trust my partner. That
More
he or she-
importante, di ba?
Yeah.
You trust, you love,
Yeah.
you submit, you commit.
And I think, diba, that's love.
Yes.
Kana man ang nakabutang sa Bible, diba? That's why it says, diba, love is patient, love is kind. And you have to choose. You have to choose love. Diba? Daghan mag-sulti na, love, diba? Parang it's easy. It's not. It's so hard.
Muna sometimes, if you're gonna ask yourself, kamo, what is love?
Yeah.
Very difficult answer.
Love
Wala talaga siyang
Love is
definition.
mixed. Love is chino.
Yeah. It's choosing,
Diba?
diba?
Tama.
We had a conversation one time, tapos parang sabi namin na, you know, love talaga is a choice.
Yeah.
You choose who you love every day.
Yeah.
You choose to love them harder pag gahig ulo. Diba? Pag gusto na mo parang,
Muna
sumaka.
makayong ka na, dira daw ang pinaka-deep na meaning sa love. Katong piliun mo ang tao na lisod kaayo piliun.
Yeah.
Yep.
Diba?
Kasi you have to choose to love. Diba? It's easy to love pag perfect, diba?
O,
Yun. Pero
pag ganahan ka, pag feeling
diba?
mo, uy, ideal ni sa ako
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
easy.
So,
Syempre.
muna siya, Attorney Migs, behind closed door, sino si Migs at sino si Congressman Chi?
Ano ba tayo?
Huh?
Actually,
Buutan ka ayag yun sa katahan. In super buutan.
no, di ba na-training na siya? Charot. No,
No, we're imperfect talaga.
Yeah.
Like, even alone, we're imperfect. But siguro it's just more of like knowing lang talaga yung quirks, features, and yung mga kakulangan of each other. Diyan lang po may maka-supplement and complement. So, ako, usahay, gahi ko pulo. Like, for example, let's say, sometimes na usahay, I just wanna
Sa
like
akin na yung
relax.
recording niyan, ha? Kasi pag ganyan siya, sabihin ko, ikaw ba ya nagsulti ka?
Kami na tumampun ko.
Ha?
Kami na tumampun ko. Pero usahay, si Mix po, kahit kay gulo. Pero then again, like, we got to that understanding na parang we started to know how to understand each
Yeah.
other's circumstance. Ang thought patterns po na mo, murag masabta na
Yeah.
mo. So, kaya balo namin nganong inani siya kagahig ulo at times, di ba? So, diha po na mo siya ma-adjust. And eventually, murag nakuha po na mong recipe, pero hinahinay.
Hinahinay.
Yeah,
Pero I think, like, that works kasi behind closed doors. Kami, kita lang, no? We're just very simple. Storya lang mi. Luto mi, mag-date night mi. Like, we really have to have those moments na kaming duha lang. And we don't necessarily have to talk about work. Parang, sometimes it's as simple as sa jowa mo, 'di ba? Sa uyab nimo, sa asawa nimo, bana nimo, it, it it goes a long way if you just say, "Uy, kamusta ka?"
Yeah.
And we do that. Parang, "Oh, how was your
Okay
day?"
ka lang ba?
Oo. Parang,
O, diba?
parang tahimik ka ngayon.
Oo.
Nagdadaanan ka ba? Parang gano'n.
Attorney Migs, mangutan ako, pisulti din sa ganina na about your basher. So, unsa or kinsa si Migs Nograles sa mga wala nakaila sa iya?
Ano ba ako? I
Oh,
am a
oh,
wife. I am a girl. Honestly, ako, happy na ako. Alam ng staff ko to. Happy na ako bigyan mo ko Jollibee. Or tahimik. Huwag na akong guluhin sa balay. Walay samok. Magluto.
Mm-mm.
I'm with Chino, date night.
Mm-mm.
Simple things, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like to teach. Kaya ginagawa ko yung sa in my social
Yeah,
media.
oo.
And sa mga times, ganun din ako mag-story. Ano ba yung makulit?
Mm-mm.
Ganon.
So, kung kinsa si Migs na nakakita sa social media, ganyan talaga si Migs.
Yeah.
I don't like being fake. That's the thing. Parang, siya, iba, remember, ikaw yung nagsabi sa akin, bakit ganyan mga tao, ang dami sinasabi sa'yo, sabi ko, I don't know.
Tapos ako, pirmi ko maka behind the scenes na kita kay
Video.
Migs na mag-record siya. Kuan, TikTok, for example, no? Tapos ako murag malinaw pud ko kay exactly like that ng pud gihapon.
Walay changes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sumuog yun, diba?
Pero when work is work, strict na jud ko.
Yeah.
Kay work is work man. Diba?
Ikaw naman, Congressman Chino, no? Unsa tong naa sa imuha na ikagugulat ng lahat?
Introvert, I'm an introvert.
As in.
As in. So, kay balo ni si Migs if I'm overloaded na with work, tapos daghan na kayo kung may pambuhat,
Kaya grabe mo siya magsayaw, sa field, mag-storya, no?
dapat wala may mag-mention tong sa iyo. So,
Ingon pa yan ni Zoro na makipag-TikTok na siya sa inyo.
pero anyway, so, pero amidst all of the work, my number one go-to do this, kana magkulong lang ko sa kwarto. Yes. And then I find so much, maka-recharge din ko samot basta kanang magkulong na ko sa kwarto or like I just play video games lang, ano lang good,
Yeah.
na nobody talk to me, or like,
Kaya sa balay, pag long day na siya, mag-ingon na siya sa ako na mag-shutdown muna ako. Okay, bahala ka. Nga ako magtrabaho, gano'n.
Nire-respeto niyo pala yung mga me time ninyo.
Yeah, that's important.
Diba?
Yeah,
No?
That's important.
Kasi sometimes, di ba, sa couple, di ba, pag ang lalaki, yan talaga ang lalaki, no, yung punta sila sa room, watch ng basketball and everything. Tapos ang babae sa mukha, di ba? Yung gusto niyo kaadtuan.
Naapod ko yung moments, ha? Hindi ko maghugas kamay. Naapod ko yung moments. Mag-clingy man. I mean, ganyan man ang babae. May na lang, clingy ko sa mo. Kaysa, di ba, bahala mo dira. Mamili ka.
sa ako araman jud dapat ka clingy.
So, may times na, siya parang mo shutdown ko, ha? Magtulak ko, maglaro ko, ganyan, sa mga games sa computer or PlayStation, sa man. So, parang ako, pwedeng 5 minutes. 5 minutes muna, 10 minutes, tapos sige, 1 hour lang ha, 1 hour. So you have to communicate. Hindi pwede na, bahala mo dira. Ganyan. Before, I used to be like that. Siyempre, adjustment me, diba? Kay ganyan mga babae. Kasi gusto mo magpahabol, palambing, diba? Niya ko niya, nganong, di ka maglambing sa ako diba?
Tapos
Pabebe sa highlight.
Tapos busy kayo sila na sila ginatalo-talo, tapos ikaw, huy, samok-samok ko ni mo, diba? May mga na moment.
Pero I've learned to, siguro babaan yung pride, nasabihin na lang na, pwedeng 15 minutes lang, na dire lang ka.
She nagka-compromise pag niya.
Yeah. So parang siya okay. And sabihin ko, pwedeng 1 hour lang na mag-games ka kay clingy ko karon.
And ako po, musabot po ko.
Okay. So how do you, kanang giningon nato na, dili magid na mawala no, yung emotionally stressed ka, mentally stressed ka, especially sa inyong work, no?
Yeah.
Lalo na si Attorney Migs, ikaw po, sa congressman, marami kang problema. Di ba? Hindi na problema mo. Pati problema ng tao, problema mo.
Yep.
So, pag abutin nyo sa balay, so how do you, paano kayo kumbaga, paano mo siya kino-comfort? Paano ka rin niya kino-comfort?
We first share kung once ay nahitabo during the day. Or like if anything's bothering us, nag-share man dyan eh.
Like for instance,
Sometimes hindi umabot sa bahay, tawag man yan.
Yeah, oh yeah.
meron bang nangyari na, like, no, kanang pag-abot mo, init kayo mong ulo. May mga ganyan. Tapos ngayon,
Yeah.
nandyan kayo, di ka pansin. O, bakit di mo ako ginapansin?
Yeah.
Ngayon, meron bang ganyan na moment sa inyong dalawa?
Before, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ang dami.
Buton ko sometimes. Like, you know, stress kayo, tapos pag sulod,
So, paano
Ba't
nyo
hindi ka
napapatch up
Ah.
yan? Paano nyo napapatch up? Kasi, di ba sometimes parang,
Yeah.
lalo na pag andyan na yung
Tapos ma-hurt
pride,
na,
oo, ma-hurt
diba?
na, hilak-hilak moment na, ang lalaki, wala na, kanang si tawag anak,
Layas-layas ko, no?
layas
Oo.
na, walk out na.
Ako ata nag-walk out.
So,
No,
how
pero-
do you patch up?
before kay, grabe jud mo, mag-away jud me. Kanang kuan jud, kanang
Grabe jud ang lalis. As in.
kuan jud or kana siya mo walk out. Ako marag sama din ako eh.
Maglayas ako sa balan.
But it came to a
Okay.
point where na ako kami duha ginababaan na mo mong pride.
Yeah.
In terms of na really to be very interested talaga with what the other person is saying. Kana gid siguro no.
Siguro na-appreciate ko kay Chino is he really adjusted to try to understand me. Parang hindi siya automatic. Minsan man eh. Nga nung emotional, diba? Sa una, ganun parang, oh, you're so emotional. Hantod sa, now it's more, wait, unsang trigger ni mo? What's
Ngano?
happening?
Oo.
Ngano, na parang, he wanted to understand. Then when he started to understand that, syempre, like, ako po, since siya, ganun na yung approach niya, ako po. Di ba you learn from each other? So
Yeah.
now, it's also, pag ganyan siya, wait, okay, wait lang, masyado tayo nag-aaway dito. Hindi naman tayo mag-aaway dito.
Time out sa.
Oo.
Wait lang, what's really happening?
Parang, we had the talk, and then it was more, we're not enemies.
Yeah.
Ang atong, di ba, parang ang kalaban nato
It's the situation.
is,
Yeah.
parang, let's not attack each other.
Kani, kasi sabi nila sa married, as a couple daw, no? As a couple. Diba, grabe bagang mga yan, grabe yaw-yaw. So, sabi nila, sometimes daw, no more talk. Just gesture. So, unsa tong gesture na pwede ninyong ipakita sa each other na
Pag ano,
even without talking, you understand each other.
remember when I told you, sabi ko, sometimes I just need you to hug me. Na ganon.
Or
Sino
sometimes you
ang
need to
unang nag-ahag?
unlock the door kung magkulong po ka sa kwarto pag walk out nimo sa kuha. Nag-unlock man po siya sa kwartahan.
So, every time, namo sa bangayan, sino ang nag-i-initiate ng hug?
Siya. Siya talaga.
O, diba?
Gusto po
Understanding
na
na
ako
kami
ng
na siya
recording
na.
ha. Pangayon po na ako ng recording.
Meron talaga, I think, may understanding na siya mag-hug. And then when you say, pag alam ko naman ako may sala, I'll say sorry, but you have to hug me first, diba?
Oo.
Yes.
Ano, marag pareho hatag bataso.
Diba? Ganun ka mag-strong, independent
Ay,
women.
pareho hatag
Oo.
maganda.
Buyag.
So, pag hinahag ka na niya, Attorney Migs, paano ka nagre-respond?
Gamay tulak sa.
Tapos,
kuwan.
parang, may hug, parang,
Gamay,
no.
gamay tulak lang sa.
Hala,
Tapos,
mga classmates,
ano?
yun ming duha.
Tapos ko na, pag umana na, give in na.
Oo. Sabi niya, sige na, sorry na. Maglambot naman ko.
So, yan ang sinasabi natin, guys, no, na there's really common denominator between a man and a woman.
Oo. Pero I want to
Yun.
clarify lang ha, na this might work for us. Pero you have to find kung unsa ang
What works for you.
diba? What works for you guys
Yeah.
as a couple, diba? Parang sa amin, ganito. Kay daghan naman maghatag ng advice, no? Mga pieces of advice. Kami, ganito, ganyan. And you realize, hindi yan the same for everyone.
Yeah.
You have to talk na how do you want to be approached?
Yeah.
Ano
The best advice really is get to know each other. Is really talagang
Meron bang time na na-test yung patience ninyo?
Oo.
Yung kumbaga parang,
Every
kaya
day.
galing makaingon ka na have you uttered the word na mag-away mo, grabe, tapos minun ka, magbuwag na ta!
Yeah, of course. Ako pa.
So actually,
Yeah.
Congressman Chino, no, Ano ginang babae?
Yes.
Pero he told me about that. Sabi niya, please stop saying that. It's not gonna happen. Pero please
Isang
stop
joke.
saying that kay sakit yun sa kanya. So I really had to catch myself. Na I won't say kay ako man, automatic man sa una, no? Parang
So then, she also explained why. So,
Yeah.
ako po, like, no, that doesn't make any sense. Like, murag, kuan ba, ang ato adiri is, if we're going to work towards this together, dapat, magkasinabot po ta.
Pero
And this has to
actually,
stop.
Congressman Chino, antod lang gina sa tumoy sa dila.
Oo.
Wala gid diri. Tumoy sa dila lang gid sa mga babae. Kasi I don't know what's in the girl what's in us, no? Nganong ana, majority of ladies ganun talaga.
Siyempre kay
Well,
strong man, strong, independent,
pero-
parang I can live without you. Kaya naman, I just
Pero
choose not to.
kung sa babae, kutob sa tumoy sa dila sa babae, sa lalaki naman po, dulot po sa dughan.
Mm.
Which is
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
I will say this on behalf of many of
Yeah.
my fellow men there, na even if it is not meant, it hurts
Yeah.
pa rin.
And he explained to me kay ang feeling niya dispensable siya. Parang tanan ginabuhat na ako, I try, I adjust. And ako parang malabay mo, murag basura lang ko. Sakit. I don't mean it that way. Siyempre, parang automatic lang sa ako.
So na din self-pity. Ginawa ko ang lahat.
Parang may ganon,
Pinag-
syempre.
mo na ako. Really.
Yung mga ganyan na
Yeah,
drama sa
oo.
life. Akala natin sa nobela yan. Nobela lang. Pero sa
Kaya
totoong
nga
buhay,
gusto
nangyayari.
natin na nakaka-relate.
Babae ako. Yung mga ganyan na mga moments, no. So, sino ang mabilis na magsabi ng sorry?
Siya.
Siya. So,
Without
how
a
do
doubt.
you feel na mag-sorry ka na alam mo na hindi ko ang may kasalanan?
It started off disod at first.
Mm-mm.
Kaya marag is like, I was in the right. Nga naman ako mag-sorry. Then gradually, I thought na, I think I'm also saying sorry because there will be also times na naapod ko'y misunderstanding on my end po.
Yeah.
So, murag, sa ako, okay, it's also correct then that I'm sorry. But at the same time, it's also na, because I want this to be fixed, I want us to be okay. So, murag, it's for another reason na pod ko mag-sorry usahay pod. Pero all the same, I think the goal is what's important, which is na ma-okay me.
Ako kasi ma-pride talaga ako. It's really difficult. So, mauna siya mag-sorry, but he reminds me na, niya, ikaw, parang sorry.
So,
ano ulit?
you're waiting for the sorry also.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
I learned also not to expect.
Yeah.
Kaya diha man pud ta masakitan. If you try to expect, di ba? If you try to expect, then if it doesn't happen, wala.
Diba? May resentment.
Okay, from that point of view, sa lahat ng sinabi niyo sa akin, I want to ask you, Congressman Chino, how do you define love? With that, yung ginagawa mo with Attorney Migs, how do you define love? Ikaw din, Attorney Migs. Answer that also.
Love is the driving force that makes you change uncomfortably.
Oh.
I think that's really how to
So,
sum it up.
meaning,
So,
kahit uncomfortable ka, because of that love, you're trying to hold on to that.
not just hold on, talagang to
Adjust ka.
change, talagang to really rewire your brain na yung tipong it's not how you've understood it, it's what you both have an understanding on.
Mm.
So really, even if it's uncomfortable, because you love the person so much
Sarap naman nun.
na bisan uncomfortable ang change, but you're willing to do it for that person.
How about you, Attorney Migs?
Siguro for me, love is choosing the imperfections. Kasi, we all want perfect. We all want something good, easy. But love is choosing to accept and still want the imperfect. And seeing that the imperfection is actually what's perfect for you.
Yeah, so yun. No? You're trying to make that imperfection perfect.
For you, yes.
Okay, game muna tayo, Attorney Migs and Congressman Chino. This is what we call Who's More Likely.
Okay.
Oh, diba? Power Couple Edition! Sabay kayong magpo-point kung sino ang mas bagay sa statement.
Okay.
Walang bawian, ha? Ngayon, makikilala talaga kayo ng madlang people.
No problem.
Okay, sino ang mas maagang gumigising sa umaga? Or
As in.
Ah,
As in.
mas tahimik kapag may problema?
Ikaw ba? I think both of us. Ikaw ba? Oo nga. Gagalit ako eh.
Mas madaldal kapag komportable na? Mas mahilig magplano? Yun, totoo.
Yeah.
Atin yun.
Oo.
Forte natin yun, mga babae. Mas spontaneous sa date or travel? Pag sinabing ganito, dapat mag-ano tayo, ha? Siya, oo. Murag
Oo.
baliktad.
Si Chino kasi gusto niya yung living like a local. So, parang Airbnb, dun ta sa Lagyo, diba, ikot ta,
kanang
grocery ta.
baktas kung baktas yun.
Ah.
Live life like a
Anak
local.
yun, no?
Mm.
Anak kitang lalaki. So, mas mabilis mag-sorry. Alam na natin yon guys, kung sino. Okay.
Siya lang.
Kane, mas clingy and private.
Ako.
Mas
Mas-
likely mag-remind na, pahinga ka muna.
Pahinga?
Oo.
Oh,
Pahinga muna.
No?
O at least you compensate. Pag pagod ka na, sinasabihan ka. O
Ikaw
pag,
naman, you always say, oh, rest muna 5 minutes.
Yeah, like, but
Yeah.
you also tell me din eh.
mas kalmado. Parang classmate kung dito, ha? Kane, fill in the blanks naman
Oo.
tayo.
Fill in the blanks.
I feel most loved by Chino when? Para sa iyo to, ha?
When
1, 2,
we have
3,
date nights.
4.
No?
Date nights?
Date night. Storya lang ta.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
I feel most supported by Migs when?
When she reassures me that she has my back.
Wow, kaya wala seryoso?
Oh, lagi. Okay, usahay mong gano'n ako kalat kay ko with my organization. Then si Mix is the one who reminds me that she has my back.
So ladies and gentlemen, ayan, it's a proof na behind the titles are two people choosing each other every day. O, diba? Mix para kay Chino, Chino para kay Mix. So, Beautiful
Chino.
Abundance family, sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan niyo, Attorney Migs, Congressman Chino, what does living life in beautiful abundance mean to you?
Siguro it's living with a purpose. Living with a purpose because you'll be at peace and you get to do what your heart and what your mission in life is according to, well, your religion, ako, God.
How about
Always.
you, Congressman Chino?
Mine is slightly different naman. It's more of taking in all the good and bad as part of the experience.
Taking all
The good and the bad.
The good
Taking
and
in
the
all the good and the
Kapilpod
bad.
ang bad, no?
Yes.
so,
So like for example, let's say na ako'y gusto unta mahitabo pero dili siya mahitabo. And then when I take it in, it makes me more thankful that there are other good things that happen in life. So it's just more of really living life talaga in its fullest, be it good or bad. That's
Yeah,
basically
ganyan
abundant
talaga
life
siya.
for me.
Parang when something bad happens, sabihin niya, syempre, di ba, right now, we don't understand. But, that's part of life. Tapos, parang sa kanya, he welcomes it. Syempre, dapat wag, di ba, not bad all the
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
But he welcomes it na parang, mabuhat.
Yeah.
anak gid siguro mga lalaki,
I
Attorney Migs. Kita magud mga babae, murag dugay ka ay tamahok tagamay ba.
Yeah.
Kalagaling, wait lang, babe.
Nga,
Pero
no?
sila, maybe because we are too
Yeah.
emotional.
Maybe.
Diba? Mo lagi nang ginaingon na, miski kung sa daw ka-successful ang babae, but still, kailangan gihapon ta mo submit sa ato ang mga bana.
Yes. Oo.
Diba?
Oo. Yes. I mean, I joke na siya mag-sorry, but at the end of the day, kanina man, di ba, ang mong panguta na kinsang alpha, siya pod ang lalaki, siya pod ang nag-run sa house. For me, what he says will stay. I will,
Give
syempre,
suggestions.
yeah, like, say my piece.
Yeah.
Pero at the end of the day, pag siya pod, no, kini ang atong buhaton. Okay.
So, communicate yun.
Yeah, yeah.
So, mo nang giningon di ay diri no na. When we say submitting yourself, dili lang po di ay ang babae dapat mo submit.
Yeah.
Kinahanglan, it takes two to tango.
Correct.
Diba? So, usahay magud murag maano nato ba? Murag mamis dili maayo pagka-interpret ba when we say if you are the wife, you have to submit
Yeah.
fully,
Yeah,
no?
okay.
So, murag dili kasi mo nang usahay ka nang you expect too
Yeah.
much na murag nawala ng respeto nimo sa imuhang asawa.
It's too
Diba? Kasi
it's
you
too
are
literal.
expecting na dapat ako imong sundon
Mhm.
without thinking about the emotions, without thinking about the person na asawa nimo, dili lang nimo siya asawa, partner nimo niya siya.
I mean, you're really right there, no? Yung submitting is not na siya pud ang boss, siya na
Yeah.
ang
It's not literally
yeah.
submitting.
Submitting is respecting.
Yes, exactly.
And both of us at the end of the day kasi I think we submit to God. Na pag when things are so difficult, diba, daan tayo ng church.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just have to
I only
submit.
submit to two people, God and her.
Mo na giningon, you always put God at the center.
Yes, of course,
Diba?
of course. Yeah.
Even sa unsa man atong pagabuhaton diri sa kalibutan.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Diba? Oh, ka-sweet, uy.
Sana all.
Ingane, ha? Na ako'y question. Complete the sentence for me.
Mm.
Abundance is?
Peace, I would say.
Abundance is?
Contentment.
Contentment. Peace. Contentment. Exactly. That two words, no? Kana siya. Mao gina ang kinahanglan nato. So that we feel so secure about ourselves and we will live a beautifully abundant life. Peace in ourselves and contentment. Lola, mi sa atong storya, oy.
Sa susunod na episode.
Kami naman mag-interview.
So as we move forward together, what kind of marriage do you want to continue building?
Marriage of listening siguro.
Yeah.
Diba? I mean, like, we found the middle ground when we started listening to each other. When we started acting on what we also promised din. And really adjusting and loving each other to that extent din. So, parang I think that's also something that we plan on continuing.
I think growing together.
Yeah,
No?
yeah.
Mo na giningon na, ingon nila, ang numbers of years daw, dili daw na siya nagamatter. Dili gid daw na siya nagamatter. Kasi sometimes, when we speak of anniversaries, pila na mo wedding anniversaries, pila na mo kay years. So what is your point to that? Kung sa inyong
Yeah. I can't speak for other
opinion
couples, diba?
about ano.
Na, I mean, each one has their own story. Pero ako personally, for us, na-remind lang nga tayo ng anniversary natin, 1 year pa lang pala tayo.
Yeah, no.
Diba?
Oo,
Parang
oo.
nagana na hitabo, no? But,
So parang katong pagka-anniversary dyan naman, mura pa big, 1 year pa lang ta?
yeah. But
But a lot has
I
happened.
really think it's more of, again, diba, maliban sa choosing each other, it's wanting to do life with a person. Diba? You have a witness to what you're doing in life and your purpose in life. Meron kang kakampi, meron kang kauban, kay cheerleader, diba? And that's what makes life exciting.
Yeah, I completely
Diba?
agree. Yeah.
So, kani, what advice would you give to couples who are ambitious, driven, and purpose-led by struggling to balance love and life? Mahirap yun.
Yes.
Diba? Mahirap yun.
What is my advice? You know, labi na sa mga babaeng strong, diba? Independent, grabe yung pride. Mas matatalo kayo kung panay pride lang. Diba? Yung pride, panglaban nyo na lang yan. No?
Pero scrambled po, dili fried. Ayaw,
Uy,
ayaw,
kakoy
ayaw
yan.
yung fried ang itlog, perme. Scrambled.
No, but uh, no, it goes a long way really to talk or to ask talaga how your partner is.
Mm.
Na, kamusta ka? So listen, find time to listen and talk.
Yeah. Similarly to that, so advice for someone who's looking for love, to balance love and life. I think that's where you kind of need to see who listens to you and who you also listen to. So like say for example, magjowa pero different priorities po ng duha. For as long as both of them agree to find a middle ground, that both
Yeah.
of them hold each other accountable for.
Sa marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not
Accountability.
even if kanang jowa lang kay love and life and work balance
Jowa.
man. Oo. Pero 'di ba? I mean like for as long as they yun nga, hold each other accountable. No. But at the same time dapat setting realistic din na expectations.
And I will say this again, and we will say this again, sa mga nanonood na, give up na, no, na feeling nga nilang walang forever, I will tell you, galing na ako dyan, promise, galing na ako dyan. And yun nga, yung linya, yung linya, when you stop finding love, love finds you.
Yeah.
Don't rush it. I think,
Wag mo-
di ba, kasi yun eh, huwag mo madaliin.
Mhm.
Darating yan at perfect time when you're ready. Kaya minsan, you have to look into yourself, di ba? Like, ready ka na ba talaga to love? Because love is not easy. You have to love the imperfections. Eh kung ikaw, di mo pa ma-love sarili mo, how
Paano ka
can you love
magbibigay ng
someone
love?
else, right? So, kaya, stop trying to find love. Like, work on yourself, di ba? And then love will find you.
Wow! Migs,
Diba?
Gino, before we end this, chikahan,
Hmm.
gusto kong magpasalamat.
Thank
Tagahang kaing salamat. As
Thank
in,
you.
Yeah,
nagkita
no,
na gid mi, nagkasakay rami ni Attorney Migs, tapos gismailan ako siya, gismailan ko niya. Tapos ki-invite na ako siya, nag-yes dahil
Yeah.
siya. Kiuban pa gid niya si Congressman Chino.
Cling na ko.
Grabe. Grabe yun ang blessing na gihatag sa ako this January. So thank you for allowing us into your story.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
thank
Thank
you
you
for
for letting
inviting
us
us.
also
Yeah.
share.
Yes,
Yeah.
not many people, as in not many people know
Yeah.
who we are outside of what we do. Diba?
You're not just a leader, but as partners who choose to love, respect, and growth every single day of your love story. Diba? And of course, a small token of appreciation.
Thank you.
I would like to give this beautiful flower to this beautiful girl.
Thank you.
No, so,
Oh, nice.
and of course, I have my beautiful Abundance perfume.
Ayan.
Actually,
Thank
this is
you.
my perfume. So this fragrance is created to remind people of confidence, love, and abundance. So my beautiful Abundance perfume, a manifestation of what you want to become. Kabaw ko nga, daghan na kayo mag-achievements sa inyong life, but still, we keep on manifesting, right?
Correct.
Because di kita muundang sa atong ambisyon.
Yes.
Hantod buhi pa ta.
Yes.
We keep moving forward. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
thank
So,
you.
mo ni siya akong
Unisex
beautiful.
na for
Yeah, mo ni
girls
siya.
and for...
Tumumot kaayo na siya.
for
That's
ano,
80%. 80% oil-based.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
So, magdugay din siya sa...
Pagdugay gid siya sa imuhang
sa
sinina.
skin.
Miski labakan na
Yeah.
nimo.
No?
Abrihan ako at
Radiant
Attorney Migs
Radiant
for you.
Ayan tayo.
Sige.
Nakumot yun.
Anong ano niya,
Ooh.
no? Timeless wealth? Is that timeless wealth?
Radiant elegant.
Radiant elegant.
Ang imong elegance mo radiate gid na siya.
Nakumot yun siya.
Pumunta siya. Maybe you pick up yan.
Ganahan ko, Ani.
Tumot siya.
No?
Kung halimbawa mo ato ta sa barangay o sa tuad-tuad,
Oo.
ka na lang guys.
O minsan, di ba, bisa na Zoom ang meeting, gusto mo feeling mo gwapa ka,
Perfume.
why not? Kasi ba mag-judge sa
Itapat na lang
imuha?
ko sa imuha pag
Ay,
mag-zoom ka.
dara di
Ako
akong
ngayon.
paper bag
Ayan,
para
thank
dili
you.
niyo ko
Beautiful
malintan.
skin.
Thank you.
Ayan, beautiful
Beautiful
skin.
skin.
I-endorse na to. Ni.
Ikaw man ang famous sa to. So, ikaw na endorse.
So to everyone watching, don't forget to like, share, and follow at Badit Ipanag for more stories of wellness, wealth, wisdom, and love. This is Badit together with Attorney Mix Nograles and Congressman Chino Almario, reminding you to always live a life of beautiful abundance. Kain ulit tayo!
Thank
And of
you.
course, I would like to thank Seattle's Dream Cafe for this amazing food and drinks. Giganahan ng ako mga bisita.
Yeah, super.
Mag-party-party daw ta diri pohon.
Yeah, sige, sige.
Thank you, Kai.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Kasi na
Thank
po may
you.
flight karon.
Yeah, okay ra. Gikan mo ni
Diba?
Mati, but okay ra.
Yeah.